Have you ever seen those adorable videos where animals talk like real people and thought, wait, how do they do that? Well, today's your lucky day, because I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own AI-powered talking animal animation using Edimakor. It's fast, easy, and a lot of fun. If that's not cool enough, stick around, because I'll also walk you through how to make your animal sing using your own audio.
Lie down, there's nothing left to say.
And even a custom character. Let's jump in and start creating. Step 1. Give your animal a voice now. Open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it, click the link in the description area. Once you're in, click on New Project. From there, select AI Avatar and then choose Talking Animal. Now it's time to make your animal come alive. You'll now see a few different ways to bring your animal to life. Type out text to generate speech, upload your own audio, or even record your voice directly in the app. Pretty cool, right? For this tutorial, let's go with generating speech from text. It's fast and really simple. Just type or paste your script right here. Then choose the voice you want your animal to speak in. There are tons of options with different languages, tones, and accents. Once you've picked the perfect voice, hit confirm. Step 2. Choosing an animal avatar. Now comes the exciting part. Scroll through the collection and choose the one that best fits your character's personality. Can't find the perfect match? No worries. You can easily upload your own custom animal right here. We'll cover custom uploads later, but for now, I'm going with this adorable cat avatar. Once you're ready, just hit generate. And in seconds, your talking animal animation will be brought to life.
HitPaw Edimaker is a user-friendly tool. Make video editing smoother and more fun.
Now, let's head to the next step. Step 3. Bonus. Create a singing animal. Before we dive in, let me show you a quick example of what we're about to create.
I'm so lonely, broken angel.
A fun singing animal video. Pretty cool, right? And the best part, you'll be using your own voice and even your own animal photo to make it totally custom. Here's how to do it. Start by clicking on Singing Photo. By default, you'll see human characters. Just switch over to the Animal tab to explore all the fun animal avatars. Pick any animal you like, or skip this part if you're using your own image instead. Now upload your audio. Click the Upload button and select the sound or song you want your animal to sing. Next, upload your own animal photo. Click the Image Upload button, choose your picture, and then hit Confirm. That's it. Your custom animal is ready to go. Now click Generate, and in just a few moments, your singing animal video will be created.
I'm so lonely, broken angel.
Go ahead, try it out for yourself and have fun with it. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more creative tips and tools coming your way.